welcome back to my channel Current Trends, and it's me Shruti over here. Today I'm going to share a super remedy for dandruff, how to get rid of your dandruff. If you have a mild dandruff, using this remedy you can get rid of your dandruff in just one wash. If you have a severe dandruff, then you have to do this at least twice a week for continuous 2 to 3 weeks, and then you can see the magic. You will get rid of your dandruff completely. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. For this remedy, we require fenugreek seeds, curd, curry leaves and a half squeezed lemon. Fenugreek seeds prevent hair fall, it encourages hair growth, it is a great remedy for itchy scalp, it is a great for hair loss treatment, it helps to remove the dandruff, it prevents premature graying, it is used for excess oil control, and it is used as a solution for hair thinning. Curry leaves helps to repair the damaged hair, it promotes hair growth, it treats the hair fall, and it also strengthens the hair, and it is a great remedy to remove the dandruff. Next, we require curd. It is great for dandruff treatment, it also smoothens the hair. Next, we require lemon juice. I have taken half a squeezed lemon juice. It contains citric acid and it treats the dandruff and the fungal infection on the scalp. I have taken 3 to 4 spoons of fenugreek seeds and a handful of curry leaves and grinded it to make a powder like this. For this, I am going to add 2 to 3 spoons of curd and half squeezed lemon to make a paste out of this. Mix all of this very well. And leave for 15 minutes to combine all this mixture very well. So now let's begin the application process. I have made this paste and kept it for 15 minutes, and the consistency of the paste have been thickened. So the consistency is so thick and it will be difficult for application. For this, I am adding a few drops of water so that it will be easy for the application, and just mix all this well. Our thin paste is ready for application. So let's begin with the application. Get mess. I have applied all over the scalp and just leave it for 15 minutes. I'm going to leave it this for 15 minutes and I will wash my hair and I will come back. Okay, I generally do all of my hair care and skin care on my own before telling you guys. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. Please subscribe to my channel. Click that red subscribe button and also the bell icon next to it to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I am near to my 4K subscribers. I thank each and everyone who have subscribed to my channel and appreciating me and giving a lot of love. So that's it for today. I'll be back soon with next my video. So until then, bye bye.